Hello dear friends. Here are common mistakes beginners make in video editing and how to avoid them. Poor organization of media files. Scattering files across different folders or drives, leading to missing files, relinking issues, and increases the time for editing. To avoid this, create a well-structured folder system before starting a project. For example, separate folders for raw footage, audio and pictures. Use software tools to organize files. And use descriptive file names. Overusing effects. Adding excessive transitions, filters, effects and animations, making the video look unprofessional. Use effects purposefully. Focus on clean and precise edits that enhance the story rather than distract from it. Ignoring aspect ratios, resolution and frame rate. Exporting with the wrong aspect ratio, resolution, or frame rate, leading to black bars, distortion, or poor quality. Sometimes this mistake can make it unusable on some devices. Check the platform requirements and adjust the timeline and export settings for it. Ignoring sound quality. Using inconsistent audio levels, background noise, unbalanced volume between main and background sound and low-quality audio. Use software tools to normalize audio levels. Remove noise. Monitor audio with headphones for better precision. And balance dialogue, music, and effects appropriately. Inconsistent or incorrect color grading. Having noticeable color mismatches between different shots. Unreasonable exaggeration in color adjustment. Not correcting the color of raw files, and neglecting white balance. Follow these tips to avoid these mistakes. Use color correction to match raw footage first. Then apply color grading to achieve a cohesive look. Avoid increasing or decreasing the color saturation too much. Make sure that the white color is represented well and correctly. You can do this by using a white object in the image as a reference. Cutting too quickly or too slowly. Too fast or too long cuts are unpleasant. In addition, they can disrupt the video flow. If possible, match the editing rhythm to the mood of the video and music. Review the speed and cut positions by watching the video from start to finish. Ignoring the importance of storytelling. Randomly assembling clips without a clear narrative or logical flow. Plan edits around a storyboard or script. Consider each cut in service of the story's progression. Not backing up or saving projects. Losing hours of work due to software crashes or accidental deletion. Or losing source files before getting the final render of the project. To avoid these, save your project frequently. Also use external drives or cloud storage for backups. Forgetting to adjust render settings. Exporting video with wrong settings, such as wrong format, resolution, frame rate and inappropriate codec, can destroy all your hard work for the project. To avoid it, know the correct settings for rendering and double-check them. Settings like bitrate, codec, format, resolution and audio settings. Also, you can use software presets for specific platforms, like presets for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. Ignoring feedback. Pay attention to the opinions of experts in the field, as well as customer opinions. If they are right, act on it. To progress and learn quickly in this field, you must have a critical perspective and spirit. Share drafts with experts or clients. Use constructive criticism to improve the final product. By taking the tips mentioned in the video and practicing them, also by avoiding mistakes, beginners can significantly improve their video editing skills. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.